Hi guys! Apple just launched a new way to send invites right from your iPhone or iPad. With the Apple Invites app, you can create events, send the invitations, and track the RSVPs all in one place. I'll show you how to use the new app, from setting it up to managing guest responses. So let's get started. Start by going to the App Store and searching for Apple Invites. Then you're going to tap Get to download it. You'll be asked for Face ID, Touch ID, or passcode. Then once you install it, you can open it up from your home screen. The app is available on both iPhone and iPad. The steps will be the same. So let's go ahead and open the app and create our first event. Tap Create Event. First, we'll choose a background. You can either choose your own photo or one of the backgrounds provided. So take a minute and scroll through and see what works for your event. I like these backgrounds, so I'm going to choose one of those. If you wanted to use your own background instead of one of these, go ahead and save it as a photo, and then tap on Photos at the top of this page and choose your photo. I'm going to set this up for a birthday party. So go ahead and type in the name of the event. This is going to be Megan's 30th birthday. Once you type in the name of the event, you can change the font with those font pickers right there. Once you're happy, press return, and then we'll choose date and time. Go ahead and click done. Now we're going to choose a location. I'm going to leave this part blank. Then we'll tap on the host area where you can put in a description of the event if you want to. This is optional. Then you can either put your name or whoever's hosting the event. And then click done. You can see you could also add some photos if you had them, or a playlist. When you're ready, click preview, and it'll show you what the invite's going to look like when it's received either in a text message or in an email. So you choose either you want to send it with a text message, an email, or you're going to use the share link or the copy link. Also, you can tap on the choose a guest button. You tap on the plus right there, and that will choose someone from your contacts list. If everyone you're inviting is on your contacts list, that would be an easy way to do it. One thing to note, the app is free to get, but you have to be an iCloud Plus subscriber to create an event. So if you're someone who pays 99 cents a month for iCloud storage, you are an iCloud Plus subscriber and you would be able to create events. This is the interface on an iPad. If you use an iPad, you probably have seen those little outward or inward facing arrows that you can see at the bottom of the screen. If you haven't tapped on that before, that zooms in or zooms out on your window in the app, which would make it a little easier to see. When you're happy with how the invite looks, tap on Invite Guests, and then choose whether you want to send it in a text, email, share the link, or copy the link. You could also tap on the plus and invite guests from your contact list. This is what they'll see when they receive the invite, and they'll be able to choose going, not going, or maybe, and they can add a comment too. If they change their mind tomorrow or their plans change, they can change their answer and it will update in the app. If you tap the three dots at the top right of the page, you can make changes to the event at any time. There's also an option to delete it if you change your mind. When you're done making changes, you just click Done. If you decide to cancel an event after inviting your guests, they'll receive a notification that the event has been canceled. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to send and manage events on the Apple Invites app. I hope you create lots of special events for your friends and family. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next time.